I was Cleopatra, I was young and an actress when you knelt by my mattress and asked for my hand. I was sad, you asked it, as I laid in a black dress with my father in a casket. I had no plan. Then I left the footprints, the mud stayed on the carpet, and it hardened like my heart did when you left town. But I must admit it, I would marry you in an instant. Damn your wife, I'd be your mistress to have you around. But I was late for this, late for that, late for love of my life. When I die alone, die alone, die, I'll be on time.